everyone, it's me Gautam Thapa from class 5B from Triyog High School. I'm going to show you the story on the topic the tortoise and the hare, also known as rabbit. Often you have heard it. So yeah, so let me fix my camera. Yeah, so once upon a time there was a tortoise and a rabbit. So once they decided to race. Rabbit was very fast but tortoise was very slow. So 1, 2, 3, go! They both ran as fast as they could. So the rabbit went as fast as he could and the tortoise was too slow. He was just coming. So the rabbit decided to rest. Why shouldn't I rest? The tortoise is so slow. He can't beat me. So as the rabbit was resting, the tortoise moved on, and again moved on. So he was about to reach the finishing line when the rabbit heard a chilling noise. Then he saw that tortoise was about to win the race. So he ran as fast as he could, but all his energy went in vain. Tortoise had already won the race. So yeah, thank you. This was my story on tortoise and the rabbit. So yeah, thank you.